First of all, measure the length of your old tops. Remember to check for sufficient overhang on the edge if required. If you're installing a worktop for the first time, note the distance from the wall to where the top should end, taking into account the overhang. If you're installing your worktop into a corner, remember to take into account the width of the first side when measuring the length of the second side. Next, making sure you don't scratch or damage your worktop surface with whatever tool you're using, remove the free edging strip from inside the packaging and keep it in a safe place. Keep the protective packaging in place, as this will protect the surface from scuffs until you're ready to install it. Carefully mark the tops for cutting. Remember, mistakes happen easily, so always double-check your measurements. Carefully cut along your mark and use a cutting guide if one is available. Always follow the tool manufacturer's instructions. If you're using a hand saw, make sure the blade is a fine-toothed one. And be sure that the saw blade rotates so that you always cut into the laminate, not out of it, to avoid damaging the surface. Clean off the edge so it has a good, smooth finish. Now you're ready for the next step, which is sealing the edges.